Curiosity. It's a trait that we humans share, but have you ever wondered how we compared to our closest relatives, the great apes? Today, we're going to explore a study comparing how great apes and children deal with uncertainty. In this study by Alejandro Sánchez-Amaro and Federico Rossano, experiments were set up to reveal more about the drive to discover new information. Participants were given a choice between 2 cups, with some containing a reward. In the first study, primates including chimpanzees, gorillas, bonobos, and orangutans were trained to associate one color cup with a reward, a grape. This involved a grape in one cup and a different outcome in a differently colored cup. This was repeated until the participants learned that a certain color cup contained one grape. Here's where the concept of priming comes into play. Positive priming involved providing rewards for selecting new colors, and half the apes were given choices between the learned 1 grape cup and cups of new colors containing 3 grapes. On the other hand, half the apes received negative priming, where the other cups gave nothing instead of 3 grapes. This means that half the apes were rewarded with extra grapes for exploring unfamiliar choices, while the other half were punished for it. What the researchers found was that apes who had experienced positive priming were more likely to explore new color cups in further trials, while those with negative priming stuck to the same old 1 grape cup. Perhaps this part isn't too surprising, but the important thing to take from this part of the experiment is that apes understood when their curiosity is rewarded. In the next study, the setup was mostly the same, but the apes instead chose between a transparent cup and an opaque cup. The opaque cup always had more food than the transparent cup, but the participants would only get them if they were willing to take a chance and forego the rewards that they could see. In the beginning, the apes almost exclusively picked the transparent cup, but then they started picking the opaque cup up with more rewards over the course of the study. Let's talk about the kids. The researchers introduced children to the same scenario as in the last study, but with stickers instead of grapes as rewards. Just like the great apes, the children increasingly picked the opaque cup as they learned that the opaque cup held more rewards. But here's where the behavioral differences were revealed. Unlike the great apes, the children were quite willing to pick the mystery rewards. In fact, they were willing to do so from the start, with the transparent cup being picked less often than the opaque one for the entire study, and not just during the later trials. What's the big takeaway here? It seems that children and apes differ in their motivation to explore the unknown, but why? Perhaps the children had a desire to discover what was hidden in addition to earning stickers, or maybe the apes were just more risk-averse. While this experiment doesn't show for certain, it does reveal a bit about the behavior of both us and our closest relatives. Stay curious, and we'll see you in the next video.